All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2016 Ford Mustang. It is the V6 convertible with alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera. It's got 40,000 miles, super nice fog lights, and best of all, minimum damage around this bad boy. Check out your front bumper. Looks pretty good. Your lower grille is cracked, as you can see there. Replacement required there. Oh, your hood looks good. Your fender looks decent. Here's your front passenger, front driver's rim. Does it have some curbing? Yeah, it's got some curbing here, about 3 to 5 inches right there. Check out your tire thread, which is over 9/32. Oh, this rear door looks pretty good. This quarter does have a dent here with some paint damage. I see 3, 6, about 6 to 7 inches right there, as you can see. And another dent down here, about 5 to 6 inches here, 3 to 6 here. And another dent with paint off about 3 inches here. And then some scuffing here, about 3 or 4 inches. All right. Let's engulf that. And then with paint off, 2 dents with paint off, and 3 dents with paint off here. All right. Got power windows, power door locks, your power mirrors. This is your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good there. Turn on this vehicle. Push start system. Does come with 1 key fob combo, and 1 valet key. And owner's manual. Let's check out pictures for more details. You got your AM, FM, CD player, on and all that good stuff right there. You got your backup camera, pow. Got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and there's your mileage of 40,382. All right, perfect. Keep it moving. Open up the trunk. Rear bumper looks good. Rear trunk lid looks good. Here's what your trunk space looks like. Pretty nice. Do have a spare tire here with some tools, and then I tucked away your owner's manuals right there. This quarter looks pretty good. Does have another dent here with some paint off about 3 inches. Boom. Here's your your rear passenger rim. Very nice. Tire thread here is over 7/32. I don't remember if I did this one. We're gonna do it real quick. Rear driver's rim. Very nice. Has some curbing here, about 3 to 4 inches. Let's check out your tire thread, which is in the groove, which is under 4/32. It looks like. Coming around. Did that one. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Your front fender looks good. This is nothing. I think you can get that off, so forget about it. This is your front passenger rim. Looks good. Tire thread over 8/32. And then turn on the fog lights. Let's get that moving here. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Pow. All right, ladies and gentlemen, all lights are working. Once again, folks, this is a 2016 Ford Mustang V6 convertible with 40,000 miles. Any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.